Hello, my name is Mackenzie Fryman. Today we will be talking about Chapter 6, Section 5, Addressing Students' Developmental Needs. The definition of this is accommodating students' developmental differences, diversity with the ultimate goal of promoting all students' cognitive and intellectual development. Principles of cognitive development and intelligence have been discovered that learners of different ages and some degree learners of the same age have different thinking and reasoning capabilities. There are many environmental factors that can impact learners' thinking and reasoning capabilities. Exploring students' reasoning with problem-solving tasks and problem questions, Piaget introduced a technique known as critical method. Critical method, a procedure in which an adult presents a task or problem and asks a child a sense of question to the child's response to previous ones, involving concrete operational thinking skills and formal operational thinking skills. This task involves class inclusion, conversation, separation, and control of variables, or promotional reasoning. The clinical method isn't a limited tradition to Piaget, and it can be used for a wide variety of topics and skills. There are many signs for exceptional abilities and talents that you can look for. Learners benefit most from tasks he or she can accomplish only with assistance, tasks that are in the learner's zone of proximal development. Almost any classroom is likely to have one or more students whose ability level far surpass those of their peers, which is called giftedness. Giftedness is an unusual high ability in which one or more areas, such as a degree that students require special education service to help meet their full potential. Students who are gifted tend to be among our school's greatest underachievers. They achieve at least far short of their capacity. For example, there are traits that teachers might look for in gifted students: advanced vocabulary, language and reading skills, high standards for performance, ability to learn quickly, easily, and independently than their peers, above average social development, and emotional adjustment. Where some children show advanced development, others show delays in development, which can lead learners to develop a learning disability, in which contrasts learners with a general intellectual disability, which is children showing significant delays in development. Intellectual disability is a significantly below average general intelligence and defects in adaptive behavior, both of which appear in infancy or childhood, also known as mental retardation. There are delays of academic and social functioning. While working with these students, there are many classroom strategies you can do. Some classroom strategies encourage students to set high goals for themselves, provide opportunities for independent study, teach complex cognitive skills within the context of school topics, seek outside resources to help students develop their exceptional talents. So these students typically behave in ways all young children are expected. Their adaptive behavior included practical intelligence like maintaining activities of daily living. So which comes to the conclusion of a video that I have to share with you today about a young girl who is been diagnosed with Down syndrome, and she doesn't let that stop her, which for stopping her from doing something that she really loves. So I would like to share with you this video of her. Please ignore the ad. Just kidding.
From Nancy, Springs, fans, let's hear you shout. Stand up and help us out. Yo, green, gold, come on, FSHS. Green, gold, FSHS.
My girl is Corey Mitchell. From the very beginning, she's always been very outgoing and very social, very loving, very hardworking. She's always loved dance, cheer, singing. She really likes entertaining people. And she's been on the high school cheer team. This is her second year. And she's done some clinics with the older girls when she was younger. Well, that's been a goal of hers for a long time. And she started off in the summer before she started high school, and she did 2-a-days like the football team all summer long. and worked her butt off, and she's never complained. She's a champ.
I'm Carlise Mitchell. I like cheer from Mantis Springs. I like cheer a lot. It's my best friend Rachel. I give it to her. This is my pain and do my best, make it shine, my dream come true. I like my team a lot. It made me happy and sad. It made me cry a lot. And I love it for me. I like love.
I love that the girls are so encouraging, and I think that not only do they teach her a lot, she teaches them a lot too. And it's really a win-win situation. So, I've watched a couple of their practices recently, and they're true athletes. They're beautiful, they're strong, and they're great examples for one another. And it's true team. I see them encouraging one another with lots of verbal inspiration, and taking time out to take extra time to help Corey with things, because it does take a little bit longer for her to learn the cheers, and they really are willing to go one-on-one with her and take the time and encourage her and engage her when they're just hanging out. And so it's been great. It's just a great sense of belonging for her. So they've done a great job in making that easy.
You done? We good? Very nice job. Grab your side.
And that concludes my presentation. Although students with intellectual disabilities experience difficulties in most of all part of their curriculum and deflects adaptive behavior, many students are sociable and eager to fit in school activities and not give up on themselves, just like Corey Mitchell did. Thank you.